Hello everyone, this is Rajesh Dwivedi and I am here with the new video on the peninsular drainage system. First, the Narmada River. The source of origin of Narmada is from a spring on Mekala range which is near Amarkantak and it flows westward through a picturesque gorge in the Marble Rocks in Madhya Pradesh. This picturesque gorge is in Jabalpur district and the place is Bheda Ghat. It does not have well developed tributary system since its tributaries are very short and they form trellis pattern. Its total length is about 1300 km. At its mouth, it makes an estuary and finally empty itself in the Arabian Sea below Bhadoch. Tapi River. Tapi rises from Betul, that is Madhya Pradesh district, in the Satpura range and it flows almost parallel to the Narmada River. The river flows westward for about 724 km and it is smaller both in terms of channel length as well as the catchment area. The river has several tributaries on both the side, that is the left and the right bank, but the tributaries are very short and they carry very less volume of water. The Tapi basin is shared by Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Then comes Mahanadi river. Mahanadi has its source near Sihawa in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh. The total length of the river is 857 km. The river is joined by good number of tributaries on both the left and right bank and the river flows eastward through Odisha to Bay of Bengal. The water of Mahanadi is shared by Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal as well as Maharashtra and Jharkhand. Then comes the Godavari. Godavari river rises in the Nasik district of Maharashtra and joins the Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh. The river is about 1500 km long and it is second largest drainage basin of India after Ganga. Its water is shared by Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Godavari is also called Bridh Ganga or Dakshin Ganga because of its large size and extent. It also has good numbers of rich left bank and right bank tributaries like Purna, Vainganga, Penganga, and they carry quite good volume of water. Then comes Krishna River. Krishna rises from a spring near the Mahabaleshwar hills and its total length is about 1400 km. The water is shared by Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The highest waterfall of India, Jog Fall, which is on river Sravati, that lies in the Krishna basin. The river is joined by many tributaries. The famous is Tungbhadra, historically famous, and Koyna, that is well known for the havoc created by the dam on its bank when the dam bursted over here. Then comes Kaveri River. Kaveri rises from the Brahmagiri hills of Western Ghats. Its total length is about 800 km. The water of Kaveri basin is shared by the states of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The two states, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, are almost always in the news for sharing water of Kaveri river. Kaveri River falls into Bay of Bengal and fed by tributaries on both left and right banks. Among these tributaries, the important one is Amravati, which is very famous. So this is all about the peninsular drainage system. Hope you like this video. Thank you.